I do care for my skin, but my skin doesn't care. I scream, you scream, we all scream for eye cream. Hi, I am Ruparna Ghosh. Welcome back to Millies Natural Beauty channel, where we talk about handcrafted skincare products, handcrafted skincare solution, and homemade skincare tip. For handcrafted skincare products, you can visit www.mnbeautystore.com. And for this week homemade skincare tip, which we're gonna discuss now, before that I would like a small favor from all of you, that is like, share and subscribe my channel for more amazing tips, for more skincare tips. So let's see what is this week's homemade skincare tip, and that is just with few ingredients which you can get at your kitchen or on your nearby store. That will be eye cream. So let's see what we all need for this cream. Thank you.
For homemade under eye cream, we will require 2 tablespoons of clear aloe vera gel, in which we will add 2 capsules of vitamin E oil, and we will mix them together. And after that we will add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and in which we will add few drops of rose water. We will mix them together and will store it in a sterile container and can refrigerate it. So this particular eye cream can help in reducing your puffiness and dark circles. Use it every day after face wash at night and see visible effects in 21 days. If you like these kind of tips, like, share and subscribe our channel for more homemade skincare tips.